Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining you the problem minimum operations to transform string, and it was asked in weekly contest 466 of LeetCode. So you're given a string S consisting of only lowercase English letters. You can perform the following operation any number of times including 0, and the operation is here. You choose any character C in the string and replace every occurrence of C with the next lowercase letters in the English alphabet. Return the minimum number of operations required to transform S into a string consisting only of A characters. Character A, okay. Consider the alphabet as circular, thus A comes after Z. So, okay, first we have input X, Y, Z. Sorry, Y, Z. So, yeah, let's try to understand what they're saying is. You have given a string S, which is initially Y and Z. You will have to make this string as AA, that they're saying, basically final string, let me call as dash. So what they're saying is, in order to do this operation, what they've said is, from this S choose any character C, right? From the string S choose any character C. So this character, in all the occurrences of the character, you will have to replace this character with the next character. Okay, we'll have to replace with the C plus 1, next character in the array, in the string S. So when you do this, and it happens to be that at the end, let's say you have all characters as Z of Z. So you want to replace with the Z. So since they have said the characters are circular, X, Y, Z, and then again after Z you will have to take this A, right? So now if you want to replace this Z, so you will be replacing the next character, which is A. So this is the operation that you need to do. So let me explain you better in the while taking the example. So what they're saying is, you have let's say this string S, right? So you'll have to again perform the minimum number of operations. Let me take YZ, right? Now let me take Z as the character. I want to replace this Z with next character, which is A. So your string will be Y and A, and you have done one operation, right? You have converted. Now you will be doing this Z and A, right? One more operation you have done, basically converted Y to next character. Then you will be doing AA. You are doing one more operation, which is 3 operations doing, which is not optimal. We have Y and Z. Now what you need to do is basically take the character lowest. When you have A, B, C characters, up till XYZ in a string, from this B character, whatever you have, from that you try to take the next character, which means if you try to see in this, the lowest character is Y. Why I'm taking from B? Because you will have to make A, so lowest character you'll have to take is B. So in this case, if you see, the lowest character is Y, right? Y and Z is here, so lowest is Y. So convert this Y to next character, which is Z. You have Z now. So one operation you have done. Now in the question what they said, convert all occurrences of that character to the next character. So you have 2 times it. You can convert A in the next operation. So you have done only one operation here, right? In total, so you have done 2 operations. Here you have done 3 operations. This is optimal, right? So yeah, that is the thing you'll have to do. Basically, let me take one more example and then explain you. So in the first case we have answer 2. In the second case we have string A. And the final string what you want is that is A only. So you have string A, so you want to convert to A only. So you don't need to perform any operation. So you'll be doing 0 operations here. This is trivial, okay? So let me take one more string and explain you. Let's say we have string as A, B, B, C, D, E, F, F, F. So this is the string that you have taken. You want to convert this string as A. So this is the final string that you want. So what you will be doing is, basically you have this string right now. You have taken A, B, B, C, D, E, F, F, F. So you want to convert to A. So the next after A, the next lower character is B, right? So whatever B is there, occurrences of B, you try to convert that occurrences of B to next character, which is C. So while doing this, you have done one operation, right? So now your these characters are C, D, E, F, F, right? Now except A, you take the next lower character, which is C. So now C you have taken convert to next lower character, which is D. So this will be converting to D. So again one more operation you have done. Is it looking here? So you have A, leave that because you want the final string as A. The next lower character in this is D. So convert that to next character, which is E. So it is E, E, F, 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 right? So you are doing one more operation. Now lower character is E, you make it next character. So you have done one operation. Now again in this case, if you see the lower character is F only, except A because you want to achieve A. So next character will be uh, F after G. So your all character will be G now, right? 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. So one more operation you have done. So in the same way, like similarly you will be doing up till you have, let's say 8. This you have, how many are there? 8, yeah. So now in the next operation, one more operation will be doing, and that will give you all A's. So this is the final string that you want to achieve, but how many operations you have done here? Now if you try to do in your notebook or somewhere, like this will take more, right? So if you try to think of in a way, so except A, whatever is the lowest element, right, that is B here. So B's value will be at, um, like you need to find except A which is the lowest element and which is B. And if you take B minus A, that will give you 1, which means lowest is 1, and you want to achieve A. So from this B you need to go till Z. From this way you need to go till Z, and from Z you will be going again back to A. So in order to convert B to up till Z, how many operations you need? So B to C is one operation, C to D is one more operation, and D to E is one more operation, E to F, F to G. So if you see Z is at 26th place, B is at 1st place, right? So how many operations you require? 25 operations required to convert to Z, as you can see. Here also you can see of C. D and B are 2 distance apart, right? B, C, D. So how many operations you need? B to C, C to D. So in the same way, B and D are 25 distance apart. So you need from Z to I mean lowest character, which is I'm taking B minus A. So in this case it is B. It is 25, and from this 25 you will be converting back to A. So one more operation you need, right? So in this case your answer is 26. If you can do this operation, you will understand. Let me take one more example and try to explain you. See what we have is, let's say we have x, y, z. So this is the operation that we need. So in this case, if we see the lowest character is x, x minus a will give you this is at 26, this is 25, this is 24, and a will be at 1, right? So this is 24 minus 1 will give you 23. You are understanding, right? So so 24 minus 1 is 23, that is okay. So after you are at 23, so how many operations you will be doing? to go till z you need z is at 26, so 26 minus this operation which is 23. You require 3 operations to convert x y z to z. So if you can see, so x will be converted to y, so I'm doing one operation. So you're having this string right now, y will be converted to z. You're having we are doing one operation, this all has z, right? Since we have only 2 operations and this z now will be converted to a, you're doing one more operation. So as you can see, your answer will be 26 minus this lowest character minus a. This is the answer that you need, right? So it will be always 26 minus the lowest character. This is let me call this lowest character except a. This is except a, lowest character except a minus a you will have to do. So this is the formula that you need to take care of while solving the problem. So yeah, what we'll have to do is you will have to find the lowest character. So so first let us take character as lowest character as something this is z plus 1, which means it is maximum character, right? Z is the, because in this case they have said your characters are from lowercase English letters. So the next character I am taking as the lowest character because highest I want. Initially I will be taking highest. In the same way we do it, right? In case of you want to find the lowest element in the array, you will take the int max as the initial element, right? So the same way I am doing it. Z plus 1 is the max character. So now I'll be iterating through this string and I'll call if this character is not equals to a, then my lowest character will be minimum of lowest character comma this c. Actually minimum operation does not operate on characters, so what we'll have to do is we just take this as 27, z value as 26, you take 26 plus 1, and whenever you are getting the element, right, so you just take it as minus a. So once you got the lowest character, now you need to just return 26 minus lowest character, right? So in case of, let's say, all the elements are having a, so in that case you do have to return 0, right? So you just take 26. Let me try to run. What is happening here? Acha, here I am missing semicolon. Okay, no matching function call for call to minimum. Acha, this should be int, not the character. Yeah, now it is running fine. Let's try to submit it. Yeah, it got accepted. So I think you guys got to know. Basically you'll have to take whatever is the lowest character except a, that needs to go till z and then from z to a. So that is the main concept over here. So yeah, thank you guys for watching the video.